In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean and polish all the crud and the scratch marks from the door of your front load washer. So this is what it looks like right now. See all that? So that is a combination of soap scum and then your garments scratching across this acrylic piece of glass here. So we're going to clean that up and hopefully make it look brand new. What I'm going to use is a combination of products. Yep, I'm going to use my Meguiars PlastX 2.0. I love this stuff. In combination with the Meguiars PlastX. So I'm kind of new to this product. I'm very familiar with the Scratch Out 2.0. And the jury's still out on this one as far as I'm concerned. I like the other product a little bit better, but I'm going to use this more in more videos, and then let's just see. I'll let you guys decide which is the best of the two, but in this particular case, I think I'm going to use a mixture of both. So I'm going to apply the 2.0 first to get most of this off of here. Then I think I'm going to polish it up with the PlastX. Now, these are petroleum-based products, so after we're done getting all this done, I'll take a soapy towel or a wet towel and get all that after smell and all the leftover stuff off. So then when you put in a load, hopefully your clothes won't smell like petroleum distillates, but I don't think that's going to happen. But what I really want to do, most importantly, is get this off, because I feel that we're going to make this look new again. Then of course we'll go around the exterior as well and make all that look good again. So this old girl's gonna look good when we're done. So we've got everything set up here, so we're gonna shake this up. I always like to shake this up pretty good. And throw some of that on the towel. And you guys, if you guys have watched any of these videos, I like to use a lot of product on there. And I'm just gonna use a terry cloth towel on this because I get a better result usually when I do that. So we're going to clean off this first portion here and see what happens. Now the top and all the way to about right down in here are usually the worst. And I want to be careful because this is acrylic, so I don't want to get too crazy. You know, I don't want to push down on it too hard. Don't put too much elbow grease into it. And we'll throw some more product on there. Actually, I'm running out. Wow. Get some of that over there. Because I like to use a lot. I just get a lot better results like that. I like to make the compound do the work. Yeah, we're going to put some elbow grease into it, but I want the compound by volume to do most of this work here. You can feel down here on the bottom, there's really not much scratching going on and soap buildup. Oops. So we'll do that anyway, but try to get the whole thing. Those old knees aren't as limber as they used to be. I don't know if you guys heard that. That was my knee. Let's just see where we're going with this. That's what the towel looks like. So let's see what's happening. Let's see if we're getting any results here. Oh, mercy. Oh man, that's looking good. PlastX 2.0 rules. I love this stuff. Look at that, guys. This is the first application. So I'll clean all this off. And I'll just see what I've missed, see where I need to spend some time. And then we'll go from there. Look at that. Oh man, that's nice. My mother-in-law is going to love this. More brownie points. Okay, so I got most of it off with that. So let's try the PlastX. This is the one that smelled a little more petroleum distillate-y to me. So let's see how this looks. Now this stuff is formulated especially for plastics. The 2.0 is for buffing out automobiles with clear coat. And I've used that on dust covers for turntables and stuff, and it's very, very plastic friendly. And I just refurbed a turntable here not too long ago that was really sad shape, and I'll post a video on that later. I just haven't edited the video yet, using just this component, the PlastX, and it worked. It did a pretty good job, but I'm still kind of leaning towards the 2.0, and I know that you guys have commented before to try Flitz and some other products, but I basically think these products are one and the same as far as like your overall end result, and therefore I think you could pretty much get away with whatever your favorite one is. Basically the idea of this video is to show people, look, this can be done. You guys don't have to put up with this. So if your wife is like, oh man, my washer's getting old, doesn't look very good, honey, go downstairs for about 30 cents. You can do this, make that look nice. That is good. That is looking good. All right, now here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to get rid of the terry cloth towel, and we're going to go to a pure cotton shirt. One of my old shop shirts here that I like to use. And let's see. Let's polish it up. This will miss the areas that the terry cloth missed, and give it a nice shine. I don't think I'm going to need to put any more product on there because it looks like I've got the results that I want. Awesome. Look at that. Oh, it's even going to work better. Your clothes will have less resistance on the plastic and do a better job. So you'll save soap, and this is environmentally correct, right? Is your guys' BS meter going off yet? Because that's total BS. Look at that. Okay, I'm going to move the camera around a little bit here. My high-tech media system here. Look at that. That already looks better, right? So I'll go back with the terry cloth here. Find another spot. And, well, let's stick with this. Let's stick with the PlastX because that's kind of what it's for. And we'll do the outside here. See what this looks like. Now don't be afraid, guys. I mean, you don't need to get crazy with the elbow grease, but don't be afraid. This stuff isn't... Oh, look. They got a crack in that. Oh, my luck, my mother-in-law will notice that because it's so clean, and I'll end up replacing this. Anyway, don't be afraid to put a little bit of elbow grease on it, but you don't need to go crazy. Okay? And I got some of that on my towel here. That's why I like using terry cloth, because it holds a lot of product. Put some more on here. Kind of go around there. And I'll go around this outer piece here. Because you can't scratch this. You're really not going to hurt this at all. Get some of the soap scum, fingerprints off of here. Try to make this old girl look new again. Save a few bucks. And let's see how this looks. Oh, look at that. Oh, man. Brownie points from the mother-in-law, I'll tell you that. Man, oh man, oh man. Maybe I can get a lunch out of her. All right. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Is that beauteous or what? Better than new. Much, much better than new. Remember that old Midas commercial? Much, much better than new. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is awesome. And there's no time lapse. There's no editing here in this video. This is your typical Breaker Broke 23. No editing, one-shot deal. totally organic, as the young kids call it. Get my paw marks off of there. Look at that. And that's how you do it. Nice. All right. All right, cool. Look at that. You guys tell a difference? Look at that. I got a flashlight in there so you can see. But there it is, boys and girls. Oh man, that feels nice. Let's smell it. You know what? It doesn't smell like petroleum distillates, so I'm actually going to let them do laundry. I'm not even going to wash it off, because I've used that cotton shirt and I'm pretty much done. Look at that. That just took a few minutes. 8 minutes is all it took. That's nice. All right, guys, so here's what I did. Your results may vary. We started with the Scratch X 2.0. Finished it up with the Meguiars PlastX. I think you could do it with either one, but I believe that this was the stuff that got the most of the grime off at first, so I'm sticking with this. You can use the combo if you want to. I'll leave links down below. Buy both bottles. You can pretty much do anything. You can rule the world. Look at that. Oh, sweet. All right, that's how we do it. Made that sucker look new again. Thanks for watching. Please hit the subscribe button. Questions or comments down below. Y'all have a good one.